Alright, so I'm going to pull this off. This is the second hive. And kill a couple of these little beetles while I'm here. Toss it on the ground. Looks like I have 3 of these. So I'm just going to set it right here. You can look down here. I don't see any bees on this edge or here or here. Not really any here. It's all right here. These. So the likelihood that these guys, if it gets too cold here pretty soon, and they don't use this food here, grief my hands. They're not going to necessarily go over here to get this food. That's where I'm going. They're going to go up and down. They're not going to go across the frames, left to right. So what I'm saying is, you can have a hive starve when you got plenty of food in there. It's not totally unheard of. All right, this is the 3rd hive. A little smoke in here. I'll load it in there for right now. It's kind of draped out there. All right. Let's see what we got here. I got my blower over here. Look at that, all those beetles. Goodness. Oh, man. I can't stand it. Smoke them down a little bit. There's a mat under these things. I mean, people are like, oh, just put a barrier on the ground. I've got barriers on the ground. There's mats, and there's also, I don't even know if this hive is, there's also tar paper down there.